For every soul who lose someone them truly love. Some memories never fade away. Jah know love once never dies, no matter the pain. Still feel the spirit falling like rain through the dark clouds and the lonely nights. True love keep burning like candlelight. Even when the world keeps spinning around, your sweet memories never touch the ground. Deep in my soul, your fire still rise. 'Cause real true love once never dies. Remember when we used to walk downtown? Simple little moments never let we down. Sharing one umbrella through the pouring rain. Now me standing lonely calling your name. Old records spinning in the room. Roots reggae melodies fighting gloom. Every corner hold your sweet perfume. Even after years your love still bloom. People say time erased the flame, but true hearts never play them game. Every tear become a melody. Still hearing your voice calling me late night. Staring through the window pane, watching city lights while feeling pain. But Jah keep whispering softly near. True love survive through every fear. Love once never dies, no matter the pain. Still feel a spirit falling like rain through the dark clouds and the lonely nights. True love keep burning like candlelight. Even when the world keeps spinning around, your sweet memories never touch the ground. Keeping on my soul, your fire still rise. 'Cause real true love once never dies. Rain keep falling on the zinc rooftop, thinking about the days when we never stop. Laughing through struggle, surviving storm. Your loving always kept me warm. Walking by the seaside after dark, still carrying your name inside me heart. Moonlight dancing softly on the waves, reminding me of the love we gave. Those seasons change and years gone by, certain feelings never truly die. Jah know the truth deep in my soul. Broken hearts still searching. All friends tell me if you move along, but your memory's stronger than any song. Some bonds deeper than flesh and bone. Even when the body gone, one love, one memory, still living endlessly. Even when the road get cold, real love never grows. Jah guide the lonely hearts tonight. Keep the candle burning bright. Though tears may fall like evening rain, love still healing every pain. Love once never dies, no, no. Still burning deep inside. Jah guide. Even through the darkest skies, your sweet spirit never hide. Forever living deep inside. 'Cause true love never dies. Ooh, never dies. Never dies. Never dies.
Yeah, man. Prince Emmanuel chanting truth tonight. Dedicated to the sufferers, to the hungry youth on the corner, to the mothers crying silently. Babylon system fail the people every day, but Jah watching everything. System not care about the sufferer cry. pressure hanging in the air. Still the righteous holding faith and prayer. Cause Jah know the system not here. Politician talking on television screen. Promises sweet but the streets still mean. Children hungry in the rain tonight, while them leaders living luxury life. Big speeches sounding smooth and wise. Meanwhile another poor youth dies. Concrete jungle filled with fear. Nobody really seems to care. Every corner filled with frustration. No jobs for the youth across the nation. Still Jah people standing tall somehow, holding faith through the pressure now. Single mothers working overtime, still can't pay the bills on time. Electric cut off, fridge run dry, yet the ministers still passing by. Old school building falling apart, no opportunity for youth start. Babylon system drain the poor, still wanting more and more. System not care about the sufferer cry. Youth man hungry while the rich man fly. Mama still praying with tears in her eyes. Babylon truth can't hide no more lies. Politicians smiling while the people despair. Too much pressure hanging in the air. Still the righteous holding faith and prayer. Cause Jah know the system not care. Old man working till him backbone weak, still can't find enough food to eat. Violence rising like fire in a town. Corruption spreading all around. Young boys searching for a better life. Instead him trapped in a crime and strife. Babylon tempt the youth with greed, while poor communities bleed. Police sirens echo through the lane. Another mother crying out in pain. Too much injustice every day. Still them leaders turn away. But reggae music become the shield. Truth and culture never heal. Prince Emmanuel chant for the poor. Open up justice door once more. Speak about shaking through the night. Roots reggae shining truth and light. Conscious lyrics become the cure for every sufferer feeling unsure. One day freedom will go rise. Truth shine bright before the eyes. Jah justice can't disguise. No matter how them twist the law, righteous people see every flaw. One day the tables are go turn. Babylon wickedness are go burn. Rise up youth and know your worth. Jah children standing strong on earth. Hold the faith through every storm. Better days soon born. System not here, but Jah still near. Voice of the people, loud and clear. Though the road, the rough year to year. Roots and culture, conquer fear. Prince Emmanuel, chanting sincere. Truth a go, forever appear. Fade out with deep dub echoes. System not care. Just still there. Just still there. Just still there.
Yeah. Prince Emmanuel chant wisdom tonight. For the youth searching for identity. For the kings and queens of Africa. Marcus Garvey words still echo through creation. Listen carefully. Old Marcus Garvey said, rise and know yourself. Black king never trade dignity for wealth. Africa calling through the wind today. Hear the prophet word.
redemption sure. Truth still knocking on humanity door. Marcus teach the youth to stand upright. Knowledge of self brings spiritual light. Babylon try to divide and rule. Keep the poor people acting fool. But wisdom stronger than silver and gold. Ancient prophecies still unfold. Garvey spoke with fire in his voice, teaching black people to rejoice. No matter where your roots may grow, Africa still live in your soul. Ships once carried chains and pain. No freedom chance rise again. Mental slavery must break apart. Liberation start within the heart. Every child deserve to know them name, not feel shame for ancestral flame. Kings and queens from ancient throne, never meant to suffer alone. Old Marcus Garvey said, rise and know yourself. Black king never trade dignity for wealth. Africa calling through the wind today. Hear the prophet words, what Marcus Garvey said. Lift your head and walk with pride. Never let Babylon break your stride. Ancient wisdom lighting up the way. Hear the righteous words Garvey said. Dreadlocks swinging like lion men, still chanting freedom again and again. History hidden from the younger minds, but roots and culture still survive time. No chain can hold conscious soul. Truth alone make the people whole. Prince Emmanuel chant revelation, spiritual black liberation. Babylon rewrite history page, trying to erase the ancient age. But elders pass the truth along. Junior Bingi, drum and song, Marcus vision still standing tall. One black people united all, from Jamaica to Ethiopia land. Rastafari holding firm and stand. Youth man searching for direction, no. Garvey teaching show them how. Build your future with dignity and walk in unity. Stand firm, stand wise. Truth shining through the lights. Marcus' words never die. Even through the storm and war, freedom spirit travel far. No oppression lasts forever. Conscious people stronger together. Rise up now and claim your place. Ancient bloodline full of grace. Marcus' prophecy still alive, keeping righteous streams survive. Old Marcus Garvey say, rise up every day. Africa calling through the breeze. Freedom songs across the seas. Stand upright and know your way. Remember what Garvey said. Fade with Naya Bingi chants. Marcus Garvey said. Marcus Garvey said, rise up every day. Rise up every day. Marcus Garvey said.
Yeah, Prince Emmanuel inside the station tonight. Big speaker shaking foundation. Roots and culture meditation. Dubwise redemption. Dubwise redemption, healing me soul. Echoes and bassline, me broken heart soul. Through the smoke and the midnight session, music become me redemption. Heavy vibration through the city night. Sound system shining spiritual light. Every heartbeat follow the progression. Music become me redemption. Speaker box shaking the concrete ground.
turning every knob, creating magic through the door. Spring river dripping through the air, Jah presence everywhere. Selector searching through the crate, pulling classic sounding great. Needle drop on vinyl sound, deep meditation now found. Bassline rolling like thunderstorm, keeping every soul warm. Even the broken-hearted man find peace through the rhythm and jam. Dubwise redemption, healing me soul. Echoes and deals and make broken heart soul through the smoke and the midnight session. Music become me redemption. Heavy vibration through the city night. Sound system shining spiritual light. Every heartbeat follow the progression. Music become me redemption. Selector spinning through tonight. Sound system carrying spiritual light. Every rhythm carries a vibration, healing the youth across the nation. Babylon nights fade far away when conscious music start to play. Prince Emmanuel chant from within. Roots reggae always win. Street youths gather near the gate, feeling the bass reverberate. One sound unite, rich and poor. Roots music open every door. Melodica crying sweet and low, like river stream it start to flow. Dub sirens echo through the lane, washing away stress and pain. From trench town straight to foreign land, reggae power still command. No matter what the wicked say, roots music never fade away. Echoes rising through the air, spirit everywhere. Dubwise meditation here. Close your eyes and feel the sound. Spiritual healing now surround. Bass and drum become the prayer. Jah vibration everywhere. Midnight session carry on till the early morning dawn. One love moving through creation. Dubwise redemption. Dubwise redemption. Roots and culture redemption. Speaker shaking through the night. Rastafari guiding light. Echoes fading soft and slow. Deep roots forever grow. Dubwise redemption, healing every soul. Dubwise redemption, beg the broken heart. Prince Emmanuel chanting spiritual truth tonight. For the poor and needy, for the mothers praying through hardship, for the youth searching for you. Jah never abandon his children. Never sleep, never slumber. Jah never sleep nor slumber. Oh. Watching over rich and poor. Even through the storm and thunder, Jah love forever endure. When the wicked try bring fear, still Jah presence always near, guiding through the darkest deep. 'Cause Jah never sleep. When the road get rough and steep, still Jah blessings run so deep. Through the darkness and despair, divine protection everywhere. Enemies plotting every day, but righteousness find a way. Faith become the guiding light, leading through the longest night. pressure feel too strong, still Jah teach we feel hold on. Through the valley of misery, Jah reveal the victory. Many youths lose them direction, caught within corruption. But spiritual meditation true, bring the light breaking through. Old man walking with weary feet, still giving thanks through the heat. Even when the cupboard bare, Jah provide through humble prayer. Hey, Jah never sleep nor slumber. Oh, hey, watching over rich and poor. Even through the storm and thunder, Jah love forever endure. When the wicked try bring fear, still Jah presence always near, guiding through the darkest deep. 'Cause Jah never sleep. Hey, mama praying by candle flame, calling softly Jah holy name. Children singing through the pain, hoping sunshine comes again. Prince Emmanuel lift the chant, truth and culture never scant. Lion heart still standing strong, Jah guide us all along. Rain falling through the broken roof, still them holding on to truth. One little meal for share tonight, yet them spirits shining bright. Church bells ringing from afar, reminding who the people are. Faith alone can heal the soul and make the broken hearted whole. From the ghettos to countryside, Jah children still survive. No matter what the world may say, love and righteousness find way. One faith, one destiny, Jah guide eternally. Through the fire and the rain, Jah healing every pain. Oh, even when the nights get cold, His mercy never grow. Stand firm and never fear, Jah protection always near. Holy faith and you will see spiritual victory.
Jah never sleep.
Watching while the children weep,
Through this suffering and strife,
Jah still preserve the life. Morning sun soon start,
decree,
'cause Jah never sleep,
never slumber, never fade.
guiding every step we make. Prince Emmanuel softly sing, praise unto the King, fed with harmonies.
Jah never sleep.
Never sleep, never sleep, oh,
Never sleep.
Yeah, Kingston Town. Prince Gypsy sing from the heart again. For every lover try and survive the pressure of life, even in the struggle, love still find a way. Listen, loving at Kingston Town tonight, moonlight shining soft and bright. Through the struggle, we still hold tight. Your sweet love make everything right. Even when the world feels cold and gray, your loving never fade away. In the dark, your heart stay true. Kingston Town, bring me back to you. Down Orange Street we used to stroll, music from the jukebox touch my soul. Taxi lights flashing through the rain, still me heart calling your name. Corner shop radio play your sweet love make everything right. Even when the world feels cold and gray, your love will never fade away. In the dark, your heart stay true. Kingston Town, bring me back to you. Even when the bills pile high, still we dream beneath the sky. Simple dinner by candle flame every night, feel just the same. Power cut off but love still shine. Two hearts beating, same design. No luxury but peace inside. With you me always feel alive. People fighting just to survive, but your love keep hope alive. Through the pressure and the strain, you ease me suffering and pain. Prince Emmanuel sings so true. Kingston nights remind me of you. Every sound from the street outside becomes part of the love we ride. Hold me closer through the storm. Your loving keep me warm. Jah bless the bond we form. Even when the night run long, your love still make me strong. Nothing in this world can break the vow we both did take. Rain keep falling, but we stay, finding love along the way. Heart to heart we rise above, guided by eternal love. Loving a Kingston Town, sweetest love ever found. Moonlight fading soft and slow, but still your love continue grow. Kingston Town, place where true love is found. Kingston Town, yeah. Kingston Town. Kingston Town.
Yeah. Prince Emmanuel chant for the warriors, for the sufferers, for the righteous people them. When Babylon rise, the lion still rule. Hear the truth. Hear the Lion of Judah roar. Truth and justice forevermore. Babylon walls I go shake for sure. Rastaman spirit, rich not poor. Every chain must break and fall. Java is echo through it all. From the earth to heaven door. Lion of Judah roar. Dreadlocks flowing in on the breeze. Ancient wisdom from overseas. Children crying for liberty. Still chained mentally. Searching for identity. Lost in modern slavery. But the fire start to rise. Opening the inner eyes. Fire burning through corruption gate. Too much sufferation and hate, but just soldiers never retreat. Marching steady through the heat. Step by step they're moving strong, even when the road feel long. Drums of Africa call them home, never more if you walk alone. Babylon try break the will, but righteous spirits stand still. Every storm and every pain, strength return again and again. They hear the Lion of Judah roar. Truth and justice forevermore. Babylon walls I go shake for sure. Rastaman spirit, rich not poor. Every chain must break and fall. Java is echo through it all. From the earth to heaven door. Lion of Judah roar. Mount Zion calling every day. Righteous people find the way. No fear living in a me chest. Jah protection always best. Through the Prince Emmanuel chanting for the ones them still holding on. For every soul under pressure, for every dream under strain. Just say better days never far. Listen, better must come again someday. Though the dark clouds block the way, keep your faith and hold on strong. Your blessings won't take long. Even when the road feel rough and cold, still hold tight and be bold. Storm can't last forever long, so keep your spirit strong. Long nights sleeping on the floor, still hoping life offer more. Mama working overtime, still struggling every time. Bill stacking night on the table, still she working when she able. Sacrificing her eyes, hiding pain but never lies. But the youth them still dream big, trying hard to make life live. Through the struggle and the pain, them still dancing in the rain. Roots reggae become the guide, keeping hope alive inside. Every baseline carry light, guiding them through darkest night. Even when the world turns slow, still them let their spirit grow. Music healing broken soul, making fractured heart feel whole. Better must come again someday, though the dark clouds block the way. Keep your faith and hold on strong. Your blessings won't take long. Even when the road feel rough and cold, still hold tight and be bold. Storm can't last forever long, so keep your spirit strong. Yeah. Every setback teach a lesson. Pain can bring spiritual blessing. Through the fire and the rain, wisdom born from every strain. Hey, though the road rough like stone, Jah never leave we alone. Even when the night feel deep, angels watch while we sleep. Hey, hey, from the ghettos to countryside, hope and love still survive. Every heart still beating true, Jah guiding all we do. Prince Emmanuel sing once more, open up a brighter door. Voice for the people rise again, turning sorrow into gain. No matter how the system try, truth will never pass we by. Light a go break through the grave and guide the righteous way. Dry your tears, my friend, hard times soon end. Light around the bend, hold on tight through the night. Morning soon bring back the light. Every star must fade away and bring a brighter day. Jah promise never lie, hope still living in the sky. Even when you feel alone, love will guide you home. Better must come again.
Sunshine after rain,
Sunshine after rain,
rise again.
through every pain,
Life will bloom again.
again and again, again and again. Better must come again. Yeah, Prince Emmanuel chanting for the voiceless, for the broken, for the beaten, for the ones them system ignore, but still them stand strong, still them survive. Listen the message. sufferers crying aloud, broken souls standing proud. Through the struggle we still survive. Roots and culture keep we alive. Even when the world turn cold and gray, still we find a better way. From the darkness to the light, we keep truth burning bright. Ghetto youth walking barefoot road, heavy pressure overload. Still them searching for a chance, trying hard for advance. Empty pockets, hungry day, still them trying find a way. Concrete jungle full of pain, but hope still rise again. Old woman praying every night, asking Jah to make things right. Wrinkled hands and tired eyes, still believing in the skies. Babylon system cold like stone. Too many people feel alone. Promises turn into dust, but the poor still place them trust. Street lights flicker in the dark. Every dream still leave a mark. Children playing through the pain, laughing even in the rain. Voice of the sufferers crying aloud, broken souls standing proud. Through the struggle we still survive. Roots and culture keep we alive. Even when the world turn cold and gray, still we find a better way. From the darkness to the light, we keep truth burning bright. Music rise from the inner city, telling stories full of reality. Every bass line carry pain, every chorus seal again. Sound system shaking the street, heartbeat moving pon the beat. Every lyric raw and true, speaking for the me and you. No matter what the wicked do, truth that go shine straight through. Even when them twist the plan, just still guide every man. Hey, Prince Emmanuel chant for the poor, open spiritual